Major transfer of wealth is happening right now. So if you don't take positions right now, you will beat yourself later on. For example, people with no patience at all, they giving their money with their longs here to the people that they have patience. So have that in mind. And make sure you join my secret Telegram group where I will share when we will start loading up heavily on altcoins again. Link is in the description. And I get a lot of messages from friends that they get liquidated. For example, someone like this. Here, do you see this? This is $470 and the other day it was like another $600. Just because this guy here, and he's a good friend of mine, he could not even have the patience to stop longing here. You do not long here, especially when you know this is an area of an all-time high and we are approaching the halving, so you will definitely not longing here at all. And this is not a financial advice at all. Please close this video if you think this is a financial advice. What I'm trying to say in here is having patience is key, because this will save your wallet, I should say, from losing big. As you can see, guys, here we just touched 60k in the BTC pair versus USD. I guess it's also, of course, a psychological level here that we had also from the previous points. And I guess we don't want to get down here, which I don't think we will, but we are not sure exactly yet. But as of now, we seems like we did the pullback that we wanted to do. So for now, we are kinda good, I guess. Another example that I should mention here is this. A lot of people, they feel like they will beat the market. You will never get the perfect entry, but you will have the opportunity to get the perfect entry. What I mean with that is this. For example, one of my favorite memes is Andy. So a lot of people, for example, as you can see here, is like here, when people get here, let me show you something. Okay, when people get here, they think, let's just wait for a few days and I will get here. And if it does 100x, I will get 100x. But guess what? You will not make 100x. Why? Because here, if you get the other day in this area here, which is 100% up, you will have lose 50x than if you enter here. Why? Because if from here does 100x and you decide just last minute that you want to enter here, you will lost 100%. So if you do the math and you enter here, it will cost you 50 times your money from here to here. So that's why it's important to have a conviction for a coin and research a coin before you enter in, so you will be sure that this will do whatever you want to do in terms of gains and X's. So having your entries right, after you do your research, just enter the coin immediately after you do your research, because after that you will beat yourself up because you lose 50 times your money. So take that as a lesson from me, guys. I've been doing crypto since 2017, if I remember correctly. Yes, and I've done all kinds of mistakes, so I'm sharing them with you so you don't have to do the same ones. Related to the peak of the bull market, I guess, if you go back here and see when and how, oh, whoops, I guess I gave up my secret, yeah, okay, whatever. Here, if you see, go back in time in the previous halvings, after the halving, we might have here a little dip, but nothing much, like here, not a big deal. Don't just panic here, guys. If you panic here, you should see people like myself and others that we were losing 70% of our money, and we survived. So don't give them your money here, because you will regret it. Why? That's why here. So just enter properly here after the halving or before the halving, and if you can measure from here to here, it's like 500 days, and from here to here, kind of the same, 500. So from here to here, that's pretty much it in the green line. So I guess when you should exit from the bull market, I guess you just saw it. I actually have also a secret PDF guide that I point out all the other areas that we need to look in order to spot the perfect time to exit the markets. But a rough estimate is this line, green line here. And as of the height of the price of the Bitcoin, I guess from $150,000 to $200,000 is pretty much realistic levels to reach here. So take that with a grain of salt. I'm not a financial advisor. And another thing that I wanted to mention here is, guys, you should do a couple of airdrops in the Base ecosystem and Base chain, because those airdrops, they will tend to give 5k or 10k sometimes, like DYDX token did, or like Uniswap token did back in 2019, if I remember correctly. I did that airdrop back then. It was pretty nice. But since Base is up and coming blockchain, it will be like Binance back in the day. So Base token will be the new Binance token. So, and even more, because Coinbase is more serious, I guess, in a sense, than Binance or something like that. So take that in mind. As of what meme coins I like, I guess you can see them right there, since they are the narrative. Andy is one of them. Redo is another one. Brett is another one. And Bobo is another one. Why? I guess I will explain all those inside my Telegram group that I post pretty much regularly there. Excuse me if I don't have time to make those videos here publicly, but in my Telegram group, you can always have updates related to those coins and why I buy them or not. So for those who want to have a quick updates for anything that happens, you can just jump into my Telegram group, which is free for now, but I guess not much for longer. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you join the Telegram group in the link below, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. And see you in the next one.